Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. First of all, I would like to welcome you guys to this Data Science in R with Usman Mushtaq in collaboration with Pakistan Learning Portal video tutorial series. So in this video tutorial, I will be starting with the low-level graphical functions, how to add to the main graph, which we already defined using the high-level functions like plot, which we are using from last couple of videos. So what are the different low-level graphical functions that we already discussed in our first visualizations video tutorial. If you see the first video in this visualizations, where I mentioned the basic concepts, this low-level graphical functions were covered there, but now let me give you a brief overview again. Add elements to an already existing graphic device. Okay, so Abline is used to generate, basically add horizontal, vertical or angled straight lines with slope and coefficient if you have. Then we have lines. This lines is used to connect two coordinates, and then we have points, add points to a plot at given xy coordinates. Okay, then we have a text which where we can set our labels at xy coordinates, and then we have a polygon xy. Okay, draws polygon with vertices at xy. Okay, and then I have a legend, add a legend labels at x and y coordinates. So in this video we will be covering this Abline, and then in subsequent videos we will be covering the other low level functions. Okay, so let's start with add start. It adds straight lines, as I already told you, to existing plot, and the format is, so this is plot xy type B, which we are already plotting from last couple of videos using this command. And then Abline horizontal is equal to 0, so it means at x-axis, at where this x-axis is, it generates this horizontal line. If you make h is equal to 1, then it will generate at where x is equal to 1 this horizontal line. Then for vertical line we use v parameter in Abline function, and for straight lines, okay, we have intercept and slope. We require these two parameters, and this could be set like this. In coefficient parameters, c to 1, where first is our coefficient and the other next is the slope of the line. And then similarly you can set using a or b parameters like this. A is a coefficient, b is a slope, in the same order as. So let me show you quick plot which we will be generating by the end of this video. It look like this. Okay, so here you can see you have a main plot. Okay, and then you have this this straight lines, this horizontal, vertical, using this Abline function. Okay, so let me go to my R Studio. Okay, so first I will delete everything I have in my work directory. Okay, and I mean in the current environment. Then with control enter here at x, I will run this command to see x is generated, then y is equal to x square. Okay, and then plot. This is the same plot which we are working from last couple of videos. The basic plot with type B, both line and points. Okay, and then I need to enter one horizontal line at 1, x is equal to 1 here like this. Okay, so Abline, I will use Abline function, and after generating this plot, directly below it h is equal to 1. Okay, so this will generate a solid line like this. Okay, and this, if you want to make it some other color, let's say I want to make it color is equal to green, so now you can see there is a green line. Okay, similarly you can create some dotted line like this at let's say I will generate it at h is equal to 2. Okay, so at here at 2 the dotted line. Okay, so LTY is equal to 2 means this is a different line type. Okay, so now you can see I have a dotted line. So you can generate combine these different parameters to generate different type of lines. It depends on you. Then if I want to generate the vertical line at here at 1, at x is equal to 1, here y is equal to was 2 and y was equal to 1. For horizontal line, for vertical line, it will be like this. Okay, so now you have more refined dotted lines because line type is 3 and y is equal to 1. This we can color it, let's say color is equal to blue. Now you can see this blue color line. Okay, And now let me go to the next. If I want to add a straight line, okay, so we have two options. Okay, one is using this coefficient. I want to add the line with the red color, okay, which have y-intercept at 2 and then the gradient 0.5, or we can make it 1. Okay, control enter. So now you can see this line. Okay, and now I want to add one more line, okay, where I have the coefficient let me put it 3. Okay, and the gradient, let me put it same one, so it is parallel to this original red line, and color I will make it orange. Okay, now you see, okay, there is a parallel line, okay, because the y-intercept was changed to 3. But this is how you can define horizontal, vertical lines or different lines depending on your requirements. Okay, so that's it from my side for this first low level function. We started with Abline, and then we follow in next video tutorials in next these functions, low level functions. And if you have any questions, if you are facing any problem, please comment it below. And if you like this videos, please like our channel, subscribe our channel and like this video, and share it with your friends who want to pursue their career in data science field. And thanks